Hello, my friends. Are you as excited as I am to meet up again at this year's NGH conference in August 2026? I can hardly wait. And this year, I'm going to share 2 talks with you. And one is about Joanne's story. And Joanne's story is related to the Archangel concept, or also called the soul assignments. And I'm going to share this concept with you, and this might help you to help your clients and to identify maybe even you or some of your relatives and loved ones, and to help them grow in this lifetime. The second presentation is a workshop, and the workshop is called Workshop for a reason, and I promise you, I will make you work, and we will work together on your soulful leadership skills. And when you practice, when we work together on implementing and maybe improving soul alignment for your private practice, you can help your clients better and your practice can grow. And you feel in alignment and living your purpose. I'm so excited. And I really, truly, genuinely invite you to join me at the conference and to also join me at my presentations. And please reach out. And let's have those one-on-one conversations that really touch my heart. They are so meaningful. I'm assuming to all of us, but I can guarantee you they are absolutely meaningful to me. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon in August at the NGH conference in Marlborough.